Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. We're making a one skillet meal today. And what we gonna use? Y'all remember I went to a Belleville meat market on a chicken fried steak on a hamburger road trip. And I got that beautiful whole chicken right here. Let me unwrap it here. Guess I should have had it already unwrapped. The reason I didn't, I just want to show y'all where I got it from. They make the best whole chicken. I mean, they wrapped it too, don't they? I mean, they wrapped it up for you. Look at that chicken there. Beautiful chicken. It's about a 2.5 pound chicken here. And we're going to cook this bad boy in the oven, in the skillet, with potatoes and onions and lemon. It's going to all make its own sauce. One skillet meal here. So, let me show you what I have here. Like I say, y'all, I got a skillet here. I got a whole chicken here, a couple of lemons, onion, potatoes. I'm going to leave the skin on and slice them. I got some fresh rosemary, thyme, and sage. I'm going to chop up. I'm going to mix with olive oil, some salt and pepper. We're going to brush on there. So simple, so easy, y'all. 45 minutes, you'll be eating a meal. Right out of the skillet. I ain't going to tell you, I'm going to eat it right out of the skillet. Old school style. So let me get everything chopped up, cut up, and we'll be right back. Hey, y'all, let me show you one thing here. Let me get this out the way here. Before I wash this chicken, I want to show y'all something here. What I'm going to do to this chicken before I get everything prepped up. Let me show y'all just one thing here. Get this out the way. I want to cut the backbone out of this chicken and spread it down. That way, it will, when I put in the chicken flat, in the skillet flat, it'll cook even. So I'm going to cook it with the breast side up. So what I want to do, I want to cut this backbone out of here. I'm going to just go right here to the side here. You can use your kitchen shears too, y'all, if you want to. Let me get this here. So you take your kitchen shears, just like this. Go down with your kitchen shears, just like that, and cut that backbone out of there. Break that there. Get my knife here. Cut that. Get your knife here. Right down in here. Come on now. For the people. Cut that little part out. You got a little bone here. You pull out this little bone there. I want to flash it. Come on, break that thing. Got a little bone in here, backbone you can take out as well if you want to. Try to get that bad boy to come out of here. Hold on here. Come on, Chef Jeffrey. It should come right out of here. See, I'm doing it all on camera here and I can't get it to come out. Anyway, that's good enough. There we go, we got it flat. The main thing to get it to go flat. This is the best part of the chicken right there, y'all. I'm gonna lay that in the skillet to the side. You know I ain't throwing it away. So yeah, so I'm gonna wash this up. Like I say, I'm gonna cook the chicken just like this, see? Just like that. So I'm gonna put the little wings back as well. And that's how we're gonna cook it in the skillet. Let me get this little meat here off here. Where's my little skin off of there, y'all? If I was frying this, that would be definitely pretty good eating there. So, yeah. So, anyway, let me get this washed up, everything prepped up, and we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. All right, y'all, let's do some work now. I got the work done. The hardest part, y'all, is getting everything chopped up and ready to go. So, as I told y'all before I left, I got the chicken already cut up. And matter of fact, I want to dry this chicken off as much as possible, y'all. Hold on, let me get my paper towel here. We want this chicken. I've been drying it off, but put this to the side here. That's gonna just lay over to the side. I wanna paper dry this towel. Oh my goodness, y'all. I wanna dry this off as much as possible. Which I'll do it here once I put it in the skillet. I'll show you what I'm trying to achieve. So anyway, we got our chicken washed off and good and ready to go. We got our lemon sliced thinly sliced lemon, onion sliced thin, potatoes sliced pretty thin. And I went on and peeled them, y'all. If they was Yukon Gold, I wouldn't have peeled them. I went on and peeled them. Now, here's my herbs. Thyme, rosemary, and sage. I chopped it up really, really fine. So we're going to make a little brushing liquid. So I'm going to put olive oil in here. And this is what we're going to brush on our chicken here, y'all. Olive oil. And I'm going to put the salt and pepper right in here with the olive oil. See that? I'm gonna put a little black pepper too, y'all. Let's go old school. A little black pepper. Hold on, y'all. Oh, he putting black pepper. Y'all, he putting black pepper in there. Jeff is using black pepper. I'll put a little black pepper in there today, y'all. All right. And we're gonna put a little garlic in there. A little fresh garlic in there too. Okay. We're gonna brush all this up. Brush all this up. We're gonna mix all this up. That's what we're gonna put on our chicken, y'all. Right there. See that? You see that salt, peppers all mixed in there together. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, y'all with me? Y'all with me or against me? Okay, let's get our cast iron skillet here. We're gonna get the party started here. All right. We got a cast iron skillet. I got my large cast iron. I usually have 2 or 3 sides. We're using the large one. Okay, first thing we're gonna put down is our potatoes. Let me drain them off here, y'all. Should have had them drained, huh? Somebody gonna say, Chef Jeff ain't never organized. I had people say that. Chef Jeff ain't never organized. All right, y'all. We're gonna put our potatoes down here really flat. And I sprayed my skillet, y'all. There we go. Want to make sure as flat as they can be, not overlapping, if possible. That way they'll cook evenly. Alrighty. Now we're gonna do our onion. Put our onions on here. We're gonna throw our onions on there. Even as possible. There we go. Now we're gonna go with our lemon. Now the thing about the lemon, I want the lemons touching the chicken, absorb into the chicken. That's why it's called lemon chicken. That's why I'm doing the lemons last, so they can touch the chicken. Alrighty. How easy is that, huh? Now, what I want to do here. I could do this in the skillet, but I'm gonna do it in the plate here. I'm gonna put the olive oil and mixture and all that on the bottom first. Brush that right there. Really good. Y'all with me? Okay. Now we're gonna place this in here in the skillet just like that. Throw that right there on the side. Now I'm gonna pat this dry. Let me get another paper towel here. I wanna make sure the skin is dry as I can get it before I put that olive oil on it. That way I got a nice crispy skin. And it'll get nice and golden brown. Get up under there. Nice golden brown, y'all. Okay. Now we're gonna put the rest of the, let me put a little more olive oil in here, y'all. Put a little bit more olive oil in here. There we go. Mix that up. Now we're just gonna brush that on there just like that. All that salt and pepper and garlic. All there, just like that, y'all. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Tell me that ain't looking good, huh? Tell me that ain't gonna look good and taste good. We're gonna put all, we ain't wasting nothing. We're putting all of that on there, y'all. All of that on there. Now, we're gonna put this in the oven. 400 degrees. You like do 350, this we're gonna do 400. Because I want a nice color on this. So we're gonna go a little higher temperature than I usually do. 400 degrees for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna put a little chicken stock in here. Maybe a half cup or a cup in there. Which is gonna create a nice sauce to this. And then we'll cook it another 15 minutes. Usually this whole dish will take about 45 minutes cooking time. But right now, 400 degrees for 30 minutes, uncovered. Everything, the whole process is uncovered. And then we're gonna take it out after 30 minutes. We're gonna put some chicken stock in there, pour it around in there, not on top because you don't wanna mess up the chicken. And then we'll let it cook another 15 minutes until it's done. So anyway, we will be back in 30 minutes. All right, y'all, we are back. All right, y'all, it's been 30 minutes, 400 degrees. See how it's got a little color on it? But what I wanna do, y'all, I wanna hit the handle on that thing. You don't wanna do that either. I wanna put a little chicken stock right at the edge of this, y'all. Not a lot. Just gonna make a nice sauce in here. Gonna put it back in the oven. And make sure you go near the edge. That's gonna make a nice sauce in this skillet for your chicken. So anyway, put it back in the oven another 15-20 minutes. It's gonna get nice golden brown. It's gonna be time to eat, y'all. This is how easy this is, y'all. Anyway, old school lemon baked chicken in a cast iron skillet. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Look at that beautiful chicken, y'all. Look at that. Look at that beautiful chicken. Make that nice sauce in there. And I got a little bit more chicken stock. And we'll just add that right in there. Because we're going to let this rest a little, y'all. Right before we rest it, what I want to do here, while it's hot, I want to take one more lemon here. And we're going to squirt some lemon juice right on the top. Just like this here, like this. See that? And let that lemon juice just soak right in there, y'all. See that? See that? That's just gonna add more flavor. So, anyway, we're gonna let this rest. Hold on, y'all. I got another half of lemon. We're gonna put this in the side here. Just gonna go to the side with this. And that sauce there. So anyway, we're gonna let this rest here a little. Come back. Like I say, y'all, I don't want to hit the handle of that. It'll light you up. And that handle will light you up. But we'll cut it right out of the skillet. Like I say, y'all, this is a one skillet meal, y'all. You ain't gotta mess up no other dishes. You can serve it, matter of fact, right on the table in the skillet. Get you a good placemat and put the skillet right on the table. Got that nice sauce in there, which I'll show you later when I cut it. So anyway, we'll be right back in about 15-20 minutes and give it a taste. That old school lemon skillet chicken. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back for the final segment. All right, y'all, like I told y'all, y'all can do this right in the skillet. Right in the skillet, y'all. Let me get me a knife here. And my tongs. We're gonna cut that, and it's easy to cut because we done cut that backbone out. So it's easy to maneuver. We got the chicken right there. Let me get my big spoon here. We got our potatoes there, y'all. And our carrot. Then we got that nice sauce you put on top. Look at that, y'all. Look at this here. This is everything you need. And the lemons are edible too. Because the lemons done cooked down, y'all. I'm telling y'all. One skillet meal. Look at that, look at that, look at that there, yeah. And it's hot too, y'all. But I gotta take one for the team here. We're gonna take one for the team here. Cut into there, and that little, cut that bone there. There we go. And this chicken is so juicy, y'all. We're gonna cut into that thigh. Got some haters out there. Oh, that ain't cooked. I always got haters out there, y'all. Haters! Get a good juicy thigh right there, y'all. I'm ripping it apart, but I don't care. Look how juicy that chicken is, y'all. See how juicy that chicken is? It is hot. Ooh, ooh, man. And make sure, like I say, you let it rest 15 minutes. Get this stuff out the way. Look at the angle. All right, going in. Y'all. The lemon, the fresh herbs. Okay. Like I say, these lemons are edible. Once he cooked them down, a little lemon on there, a little onion, a little onion, a little potato, a little chicken on there. Look at this bite right here coming up, y'all. Look at that bite there. Got the chicken on there, the lemon, onion, potato. Come on now. Going in. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. All kinds of flavors working there, y'all. I don't know sometimes why I don't make this more often. Because it's so easy. You ain't got to clean up one dish. And get back and skillet. Going in. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. That's good. Perfectly seasoned. The garlic, like I said, the garlic, the fresh herbs coming through. Yes, I can't stop eating it because 45 minutes, y'all, you got a meal. Like I said, you got the potatoes and onions under there. With that lemon, a little sauce you made when you put that chicken stock in, right at the end, 15 minutes. Don't get no better than that, right? Don't get no better. Anyway, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my other social media account, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch, EB, Pinterest, TikTok, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2026? Take 6 months to mind your own business and 6 months to leave other folks' business alone. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all.